Hey everyone, this week's Members Trade of the Week was awesome. Swiss CPI, 2:30 in the morning. You had to really be a serious trader to take advantage of this event. All of our members received our schedule Sunday, days before this event, and they knew that at Thursday at 2:30 in the morning, this Swiss trade was going to take place, and it was a doozy. Let me show it to you. Watch the move on this event. It's absolutely amazing. Swiss CPI. If you got up at 2:30 in the morning and you were ready to trade this, look at that move. It was fantastic. Now, what was even more interesting is that over the course of the next 10 minutes, and I'm going to speed it up, each one of these lines is a minute. If you stayed in that trade, it kept going down and down and down. You could have kept making money. What a great event that would have been. Swiss CPI. That, my friends, is our members trade of the week. And let me show you why. I didn't show you why yet. That was just a replay of the event. Langford M. from Anguilla made over $300 in profits. Look at the amazing move. The candle traded. It was spectacular. Just a great, great trade. Had some slippage because the Swiss franc is not a high volume instrument. Nevertheless, a huge move, offered great profits. And Larry from Canada had over $500 profit on the same move. This is actually the move on my computer because Larry's file did not reach me. But I saw his email. He got up in the middle of the night, 2:30, and had an awesome trade. Swiss CPI, two members thinking outside the box. Not even outside the box. They just used our schedule. Got up, took the trade, excellent profits. That's our members trade of the week, Swiss CPI. Read the schedule, set up your trades, follow a plan. It's a great way to make money. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you on the inside.